Okay, let's look at equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal in value or the same. So I've drawn here two pizzas, for example. This pizza is cut into 2. This pizza is cut into 4. Let's say for this first pizza, I eat half of it. So 1 out of 2, 1 slice out of 2. That's what I eat. Meanwhile, you've got another pizza that's been cut into 4 and you eat 2 out of 4 of the bits. So that is what you eat, 2 bits out of the 4. We have in fact eaten the same amount. So in other words, 1/2 is equal to 2 over 4. 1/2 is equal to or equivalent to 2 over 4. Let's look at how we can do this. With this 1, if I times it by 2, I get to 2. To make a fraction equivalent, if I times the top by 2, I also times the bottom by 2. So equivalent fractions are the same, and you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So let's say we have 2/5, and I want to know what is the equivalent fraction out of 10. So what number do I put here? Let's look at the denominator, the number on the bottom. 5 times by 2 gives me 10. So I need to do the same on the top to make it an equivalent fraction. And 2 times by 2 gives me 4. So 2/5 and 4 over 10 are equivalent fractions. We'll do one more example. Let's say we have 3/7, and we want to know what is the equivalent fraction out of 28. So I look at my bottom, my denominator. 7 times by what gives me 28? 7 times by 4 gives me 28. So if I times my 3 times by 4, then the equivalent fraction would be 12 out of 28. So for equivalent fractions are equal in value, and you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number.